Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to set the time on an Ihome alarm clock. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. So as you can see right here, this is one example of an Ihome alarm clock. And there are different versions, different variations of the Ihome alarm clock, many different variations, but they all work in a very similar way when it comes to setting the time, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna look on the back of the Ihome alarm clock. Now the first thing that you wanna make note of is the daylight savings time, which is the -1 or +1, okay? Or auto, you can leave it on automatic because it's gonna go based on the date. You wanna have this set to whatever it is currently before you set the time. And I always set it myself because then I like switching it over. It's just sort of something I like doing, but you can set it to auto, right? Or +1 or -1, okay? As you can see, if I switch it between the +1 and -1, it goes from 12:02 to 11:02, okay? So just have it set to whatever it currently is, because when you set the time, then you can just use this to switch between the daylight savings time on or off, +1 or -1 when the time comes. But other than that, you want to look for the time set button right here, okay? So make note of this time set button, okay? It might say time set or time or clock. You want to look for that button, and we're going to press and hold it down, okay? Back here. So, and we're going to continue to press this eventually as well. So just keep your hand sort of back there. I'm going to press and hold it down for 2 seconds. It beeps, and now we're going to set the time with the plus and minus buttons. So let's say, just for the sake of argument, it is 12:15. Make sure your PM or your AM is also set. Let's just say 12:20. We'll make it simple. 12:20. I'm going to press the time set button on the back. Okay, 2019. So it's going to ask you for the date. Let's just say 2023. Okay, very simple. 2020. Actually, we'll go 2022. Okay, we'll go December. Okay, this isn't the actual date today, just so you know. It's close, but it's not the actual date. We'll go, this is a date in the future that I'm picking right now, December, and then we'll go December 5th, my anniversary, December 5th. Is that the date? I'm not sure. I'm just joking. It's December 5th. And then I press the time set button again, and we set the time. So once again, every time I go to the next option, I'm pressing the time set button. So I'm gonna press and hold it down, okay? Once again, you set the time, 12:25 p.m., okay? Press the button again at the back, 2022, press the button again at the back, December, press the button again at the back, 5th, okay? Press the button again at the back and you're good to go. That's how you set the time on an Ihome alarm clock. And once again, every time I said press the button again at the back, I'm pressing this time set button over here, just so you know, just for full clarity. Even though I explained it, I figured I'd show you once again as well. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.